Yo, what's up guys, it's Skimmerman from Gunpla Studio, and today I got here a model kit from Bandai, Master Grade, which came from the Mobile Suit Gundam Universal Century series. And this happened to be one of my most favorite antagonist design model kit or mobile suit from that series. And this is none other than the Gyan, piloted by Mukuve. And I really like the design of this kit because it looks like a knight with a big shield, and the shield is really awesome. I really like the technicalities and function of the shield here. And it has a big lance, beam lance, which is very badass. And even the form of this kit, I really like it. It seems like it doesn't came from a Bandai, or it doesn't came from a Gundam series. Okay, so let's check this kit out and let's see what this Gyan has to offer us collectors. Find beer and loose gifts. Gyan, and this kit here was released by Bandai in 2006, so it's a bit old kit. And there we got this blue Bandai logo ready, and this is a re-release from Bandai Namco, Master Grade, and I bought it from Toy Town. So the price shows here 2,200, but I bought this around 1,600 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so the box is really nice. You can see here the Geldug, one of my favorite Char suit, also chunky suit from Char. And there we got the Mukuve's very gallant looking Gyan. So if we see the side of the box here, you can see this very cool pose of the Gyan here. I really like this lunging pose. Very cool. See, I really like it. It's very sexy to look at. And there we got this kind of fencing stance here. Very cool. And there we got the Banki sticker. So this is Banki trading. And if you got this kind of sticker, this kit is qualified for a Gundam contest. So there we got the lighting part. So we got here the beam lance there. So we got the shield. They're really cool looking shield, and I really like this kind of stance. See, it's a very humanoid pose. It's very they call this realistic. It's like a human getting the sword out of the shield. And there we got these mines on the shield. We got this mines and missile effect parts there. So shooting missiles there. Front view, rear view. And we got this frame and the markings and the Mukuve 1/20th scale pilot figure. And there we got the 1/100 and the 1/20th scale. Okay. So if we open the box here, there you can see the instruction manual. It says here Gyan, and I really like the Zeon logo there. So it's a Principality of Zeon prototype closed combat mobile suit. Okay. The YMS 15 Gyan. So there we can see all the Japanese writings here, but I cannot read it because these are all in Japanese text except for the warnings, the caution signs, or the caution statements here. It's all in English. So the parts list here, we got parts from the polycaps that will not be using. So we got so many polycap thing here that's not to be included in the kit. So the building process of the kit is not that complicated. Even the parts list, it's not that much. Okay, so we're going to see the sequence on building this kit. It's not that hard to build. And there we got the colorful centerfold here. We can see fight scenes from the series. So we got here the Gelgoog and there the Gyan fighting the RX-78 Gundam, and we got some clippings from the anime there, and we got the Dom and the Gelgoog there. We got the features there. Okay, so it's not that hard. Okay, we got the sheet on the newbies, for the newbies, and there we got all the marking placement for this kit. Okay, so let's go with the packages here. We got this first pack. We got chunky parts, chunky pieces here. Okay. Second pack here, we got those mines. We got those mines, and yeah, we got those yellow, the gold parts. I think this one for the beam, you know, the beam effects, or the beam handle, beam lance handles, and we got this spear. Okay, so we got this mines there, and missiles. I think this one missiles. Anyway, so we got the Mukuve figure. Then here we got another Mukuve, the 1/20th scale Mukuve figure, and this part here for the legs. There, the fancy looking legs, bell-bottom jeans. Okay, and we got the fourth pack here. We got the indigo parts, armor parts, and we got this beam lance effect parts, which is very cool, very thick. And we got this shield parts, so this maroon colored shield, and this indigo parts here for armor pieces. Then finally we got this gray parts for the inner frames and the lighting paraphernalia there. So as always, let's have a quick runner. It's that thing. Okay. Let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's start with these chunky parts here. We got this gray parts, runner F, and we got the chunky parts for the shield. And there we got there we got missile parts and slots for this one for the mines to be attached. Okay, this runner F, and we got this chunky blue parts here for the armor parts. So this is runner B, and we got this poly caps, and I think most parts here will not be using. And we got here runner A, multicolored runners. We got clear parts, and we got this brownish gold, or yep, a bit gold, flat gold parts for the for shield mines. And there again, these are all the mines. I might not use those mines. Okay, and we got this Mukuve part here, white parts. So I might not use these Mukuve parts. I'll just keep those parts, by the way, or I'll just keep these pieces here. I'm not that interested in these parts here. And we got this runner G here for this inner frame. We got this runner J for the shield. So there we got the big chunky parts for the shield. Indigo parts here, runner D. This for the head and other armor pieces. Then we got this bell-bottom jeans for runner E. So there we got the 2006 Bandai, what do you call this? Date mark. We got this beam lance effect parts, very cool here. Then we got this Runner C indigo parts again. Then we got chunky pieces here for the inner frame. We got runner I. These are all inner frame parts. And finally, we got this runner H for inner frame parts again. Then we got this piece here for the lights to be attached in the beam lands here. Got screw also. Then we got this missile effect parts. They're shooting missile effect parts, so it's the smoke launchers like that. And we got this stickers, foil stickers. No, it's not foil, but the drive transfer decals, which I like, and clear sticker sheets here. So thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the Gyan from Bandai, which came from the Gundam Mobile Suit Gundam Universal Century line. So this cameraman from Gunpla Studio. Just wait for the finished product of this kit. Goodbye, God bless, take care.